So any YouTube channel, after getting copyright strike, how to remove the strike? Strike will be two types: copyright strike, file dispute. If you get any copyright strike, we can claim the copyright strike. They remove or not will be question mark. But if you got any file dispute, you can remove easily. So I can go to the video manager. I'm selected by the particular video, including copyright strike. Copyright strike will be called. This will be file dispute option. The mainly file dispute is called song. Why? Because play will matching by up to 0 seconds to 1 minute 55 seconds. Remove the song. First, remove the song. Select it. Erase. This kind of channels song will eligible only for MCN member. AdSense member will be same problem will focus by your file dispute options. So I'm changing here. Now it's going to your copyright claim. Select it. Submit. So now go into editing process. Just wait up to audio file will be remove purpose. Now it go into process. Wait up to 1 minute to 10 minutes of time. They take minutes or up to 10 minutes based on the video minutes. The less than 2 minutes, so it will take time for less than 2 to 3 minutes of time. Wait for the time. After few process, the copyright claim will be removed by your YouTube channel. Right? And remove the song. This will be removed by permanently your copyright strike. Only file dispute we can remove on time. Copyright strike we can claim the copyright. When third party person is approved, the copyright will be removed. Copyright will be two types. File dispute we can remove within a minute of time. But copyright strike, when claimed, when third parties enable your claim, you will be remove your copyright strike. Two types. So file dispute is very easy, but copyright strike will be very tough to your monetization. So you will remove here. Same like you can remove by everyone here. So select it. Previous like this. Now will be like this. Now you are coming to refresh. The previous is a copyright will be here. Now I can check any copyright will be here. No copyright. Is it done? Now same like we can check by here. What is your copyright particular video? Same. Remove song and remove song. You have the two options. Remove song. Select your song. Erase. Select your erase your song. Now it started to your processing. Previously we have the strike by video. Now will be process your video. Which one? This will be copyright strike. Now wait for seconds. Is removed by your copyright strike. Any copyright strike, permanent remove is a file dispute is a remove the permanently. But copyright strike, when third party is enabled, can enable remove the copyright strike, or else we can wait for up to 3 months of time. Any copyright strike will get up to wait for 3 months of time. File dispute on fraction of second, we can remove the file dispute option. This is called remove the any copyright videos on YouTube channel. Two types: copyright strike, file dispute. Copyright strike, when claimed, remove by primary owner, or else wait for up to 3 months. File dispute. You can remove on time, particular video will be removed or audio will be removed. Remove by file dispute. File dispute major problem is called copyright music. File dispute main drawback is called copyright music. That is waiting for file dispute option. I can refresh. Any file dispute we can taking time for longer time the based on the video. It will be 3 minutes. You can wait for up to 3 to 5 minutes of time. So this is called remove the copyright strike on particular YouTube channel videos.